The front cover of the book is obviously the way that you can communicate with a potential audience, what might be inside the book, and so I wanted to include one at least of each animal that's in the book, and I decided to give Aul Mc Donald's a set of bagpipes and so that you kind of get the idea that it is got that musical element. It's based on the song, obviously. Aul Mc Donald had a Fairm. And also in the background is Benahee, which sort of places Aul Mc Donald in the northeast of Scotland, with a famous landmark that anybody that bides in the northeast should quite easily be able to recognise. And as a subtitle to the book, we've said that it's also in Doric in the title there, just to sort of differentiate ourselves from perhaps other dialects of Scots language. And it was debated whether we should put that in at all, but I thought it was quite important just to communicate. It was our first book, so we wanted to make sure that we were putting Doric in the title there.